Hello student, after learning each sounds of alphabets, now we learn two-letter words. What is two-letter word? In two-letter words, only two alphabets. Okay? There are 5 vowels in an alphabet. You know that? Yes? And therefore, which is this vowel? A, E, I, O, U. Okay? And each vowel have a family, means A family, E family, I family, O family and U family. Today we see only A family. Then let's start. A family. Okay? A, M. 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 A, N. 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 A, R. R. A, G. And. A, T. And. A, X. X. A, S. Next, A, B. A, B, ab. A, D, ad. A, W, off. And the last one is A, P. A, P, app. Okay. Can we revise? Yes. Look. A, M. A, N. A, R. A, G. Egg. A, T. Egg. A, X. A, S. Ads. A, B. Ab. A, D. Ads. A, W. Up. A, P. App.
Now I am going to show you some words on the screen and you have to read those words loudly. Okay, shall we start? A, B, ab. A, D, ad. Come on, tell me. A, M. Yes, correct. A, N. Very good. A, P, app. A, R. Correct. Very good. A, S, ads. Good. A, T, at.
Now, E family. Okay? E, B. E says A. B says B. E, B. A, B. E, T. At. E, D. Add. E, N. E, G. G says G. E says A. B, E, B. M, E, me. At, E, he. And last one, W, E, we. Shall we revise? Okay. E B ebb. E T ed. E D ed. E N N. E G egg. B E B. M E me. H E he. Last one W E we. Okay.
Now I am going to show you some words on the screen and you have to read those words loudly. M-E, me. Correct. B-E-B. Correct. Tell me. Yes. Ab. Tell me. Yes. Ed. What is the next? An. Come on, tell me. E-T. At. H-E. Correct. He. Loudly. W-E. And the last one. Yes. E-G. Egg.
Now we learn I family. I says E. I says E. Okay. First one. I B E B. Ib. I D. D says D. E D. G says G. I G. I F. I F. If. I M. M says M. Im. N says N. I N. In. I P. P says P. Ip. I S. Is. I T. T says T. I T. T. It. I X. X. Okay. Shall we revise? I B. Ib. I D. Id. I G. Ig. I F. If. I M. Im. I N. In. I P. Ip. I S. Is. I T. It. And last one I X. X. Okay.
Now I am going to show you some words on the screen and you have to read those words loudly. I B ib. I N. Very good. In. Correct. I T. It. I am. Correct. Ig. Very good. ID. Id. What is the next? IP. Ip. Very good. IS. Is. IX. Correct. X. Very good. IF. E.
Now O family. O says O. First one is O B. B says B. O B. Ob. O F. Off. O G. G says G. O G. Og. O N. N says N. O N. On. O T. T says T. O T. Odd. O R. R says R. R. O R. Odd. O W. Off. Off. O P. Op. Op. O X. Ox. Ox. O Y. Y. Shall we revise? Yes. O B. Ob. O F. Off. O O P up. O X ox. O Y oy. Now some more words. Okay. G O go. S O so. T O do. D O do. Okay.
Now I am going to show you some words on the screen and you have to read those words loudly. O B or B. What is the next? O G or G. O N or N. Tell me fast. O D odd. Wow, correct. OX ox. Very good. OF off. Now OP or P. SO so. And the next DO do. Next NO no. Very good. OR or. OT ot. And last one OY oy.
Now U family. U says up. U says up. UT. T says t. UT at. UT at. UN un. UN un. UG ug. UG ug. UP up. UP up. US us. US us. UB up. UB up. UD ud. UD ud. Shall we revise? Okay. UT ud. UN un. UG ug. UP up. US us. UB ub. UB ud. Okay. Now we learn about two-letter words, about only exceptions of two. Which exceptions? Here I write two words. Okay, but there is no vowel. How? Look here, B, Y and M. Okay, B, Y, by, and M, Y, my. These also two-letter words.
Now I am going to show you some words on the screen and you have to read those words loudly. Tell me yes. B-Y by. U-G ug. Very good. U-T at. Very good. Tell me fast. U-S us. Wow, very good. U-B ub. Now U-P up. Up. And the last one is M-Y my.